Good morning. I wanted to make a video to show you a little bit more about how to submit your work, especially after a test. And I know this first week, we're just getting used to everything. So it's not really a test that you're submitting the work for. I just want you to get used to the process. So I've asked you to write down your name, date, and time just on a blank piece of paper. Okay. So just grab a blank piece of paper, write down name, date, and time. And then I want you to use your cell phone to take a picture of that. Okay, so grab your cell phones, take a picture, and then I need you to upload the picture into an email. Okay, so whenever you pull up an email and type in your name, you're just going to email it to yourself. You'll want to hit the attach button to pull up the picture. Now, everybody's phone is different, but you can see right over there, I have that little paper clip. Okay, that's how you attach a picture to, you attach anything to an email. Okay, so hit the attach button, and then you can pick out your, in your gallery, you can pick out your picture from your phone. And then, let me minimize this again. So whenever you go to your email, oops, let me go back. Whenever you go to your email, you'll see your email and your picture. Okay. I couldn't get mine to download correctly to where I could copy and paste it into a Word document, but I was able to hit this print button, and instead of actually printing it to an actual printer, I was able to, so here's my printer that I was going to use, but I was able to save it as a PDF. It's going to load a preview. There we go. All right, so hit save and choose where you're going to save it to. I'm just going to save it to the bottom, and we're going to call it name, date, time. Nope, it doesn't like the slashes. We'll do a comma. We'll just do spaces. I'm not sure it'll like a comma either. Name, date, time. Okay, so now we can go to our middle page and find that assignment. Submit your work here. And down here at the bottom, we add submission, and you need to get that file in there. Okay, so you can click up in here. Oh no, it's a new folder. Click this one. We need to upload a file. So we're going to choose our file from wherever we saved it to. What did I call that? Name, date, time, PDF. All right, so we got that in there. We can upload file. Okay, so there it is. It's in there. And I can hit save changes. And it is submitted for grading. It's not graded yet. I haven't went in and graded it yet. But it is in there now. And you can see that it does actually have that attachment in there. So, hope this helps.